BT is keeping us connected today more than ever before.
Our parents split when we were both relatively young. I think that brought us quite close together. You know, we have no other siblings, it's just the two of us. We used to play every type of sport, every type of video game together. We were very competitive, but it was always against other people.
Excel is a professional esports team, and we've now got a lead partner in BT, and they're just the perfect fit for an esports business.
In the last 5 years, Excel's transitioned from being a bedroom-based organisation to a globally recognised esports brand. We wouldn't be able to do what we do as well as we do it without the BT connection that we've got.
What we're trying to do is create an inclusive community that are connected with each other through a common passion for gaming and esports.
Our players live in residences provided by the company. It's all powered by BT. Our main office has some of the best internet I've ever seen. That's powered by BT.
You have to have the best connection possible. We have it at the office, we have it at home, and actually having better connection could give you the edge.